Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shah Sir Classes. In this video, we are going to discuss the chapter of class 10th Math Trigonometry. Now this is a very important session. This is the Trigonometry Marathon and this video will be helpful for the student who belongs to CBSE board, ICSE board and even the Karnataka state. Dear students, this is one of the most important session and definitely it can change your life and also your marks in trigonometry. Let's begin. Now, this video consists of only the topic related to trigonometric identities, where you can expect a question basically for 3, 4 or 5 marks. Okay, let's continue. Now, which are the basic trigonometric ratios? As we know that trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, and cot. So these are the basic trigonometric ratios. Now let me assume a triangle in which let me consider this is right angle and this is an acute angle. Let me name the triangle as ABC in which angle B is 90 degree and angle C is acute angle. Suppose if I am going to use the acute angle as theta, then we are supposed to write sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay. If the name of the acute angle is theta, then you should use sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Suppose if the acute angle is not theta, assume if it is alpha, then you should write sin alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha, cosecant alpha, secant alpha, cot alpha. Clear? Suppose if acute angle is not theta, not an alpha, in that scenario, what we are supposed to do? Simple. Okay. Then the corresponding alphabet, the corresponding, the corresponding alphabet. Can you see this? What is this? Angle C. Acute angle is angle C, right? If they have not given any name for the acute angle, in that scenario, you are supposed to write sin C, cos C, tan C, cosecant C, secant C, cot C. If the name of the acute angle is not given, then you are going to use the corresponding alphabet only is the name of the acute angle. So please be careful with this step. Now, come to the point. Now, let me assume as theta. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. Clear? So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now, please remember, assume you are standing at 90 degree. That means angle B. If you are standing at angle B, which side you can see? We can see a side AC. It is called as hypotenuse. Assume you are standing at acute angle. Which side you can see? AB. So side AB is opposite and remaining side is adjacent. Suppose once again let me to check if this is my right angle and this is my acute angle. Let me name this triangle as ABC. Then 90 degrees angle B. Assume you are standing at B. Then you can see hypotenuse. Assume you are standing at acute angle, that is A, then you can see opposite and remaining side is adjacent. So this is the logic which you can apply to identify the different sides of a triangle. If right angle changes or acute angle changes, even the sides also changes. Now come to the point. As we have sin theta, we have cos theta, we have tan theta, we have cosecant theta, we have secant theta, and we have cot theta. Now, let me take the basic right angle, 90 degree acute angle, ABC, theta is acute angle. Done. This is hypotenuse, this is opposite, and this is adjacent side. So here, remember, opposite side is also called as perpendicular side. Mostly the ICSE students will use not opposite word, they will be using perpendicular. They use perpendicular. Perpendicular side is nothing but opposite side. And also they won't use adjacent word. They use base side. Base is nothing but adjacent. Don't get confused. Done. Now, how to remember these all six ratios? Because this will be helpful once we are going to solve the problems related to identities. That is the reason. Now, we have a logic. We have a logic. What is sin theta? If they ask, ma'am, just 1 minute. No, not 1 minute. 10 seconds. What is sin theta formula? Just 10 seconds. Just you write lal hamara k a. This is the logic. What is the logic? Lal hamara k a. Clear? Clear? Good. What does it mean? Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Yeah. If they ask you what is sine, it is L by K. What is the logic? L by K. Sine L by K. Cos A by K. Tan L by A. Any doubts? Again, I will repeat for your better understanding. What is sine? Sine is L by K. Cos A by K. Tan L by A. If they ask cosecant, remember sine and cosecant are reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? If you change the value, if you reverse sine, you will get cosecant. Sine को अगर से आप उल्टा करेंगे तो आपको cosecant मिलेगा. Reverse. Sine is L by K. Then cosecant is K by L. Reverse. Cos A by K, secant K by A. Tan L by A, cot A by L. This is the logic which you can apply. Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Very good. So this is our right angle triangle in which ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle C is acute. Angle C is acute. Now, sir, what is this LKA? L means lamba. Lamba means straight. Straight. K means kan. Kan means anki. Anki means kandu. Kandu means kandu. Hege. Like this. How? Like this. Flow. Right? Assume you are moving on the way, on the road. If you do like this, what they will do? You just will don't have common sense. It's a biggest crime. Am right? Good. So, which is the biggest side of a triangle? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the biggest side of a triangle. Understood? By standing, we are Ankima. Simple. आराम से. That is it. Yeah, this is trigonometry. खड़ को अंकी मारना आराम से. कहाँ पे? Bus stop. Means on the paper. Very good. Is this clear? Good. So this is hypotenuse. This is opposite. And this one is adjacent side. But in exam, you people don't write L by K, K by L. Instead of K, L by K. L by K for your understanding. But when you write the formula, you should write as L means opposite, K means hypotenuse. If it is cos theta A by K, for your understanding, it is A by K. But when you are writing, you should write adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta, for your understanding, it is L by A. But for writing, opposite by adjacent. Similarly, cosecant theta, hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot theta, adjacent by opposite. And also, we have one more important identity in this. What is that? We know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. See, tan theta means opposite by adjacent also. And tan theta means sin theta by cos theta also. Based on the application we use. जहां पे sin by cos use करना है, we have to use this. Whenever you want to use opposite and adjacent, you have to use this. So both are tan theta. As we know that if you reverse tan theta, you will get cot theta. Correct? Tan theta L by A, then cot theta is A by L. Similarly, if tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, sin divided by cos is equals to tan. If tan theta is sin by cos theta, then cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. As we know that tan is L by A, then cot is A by L. Similarly, if tan is sin by cos, then cot is cos by sin. Don't forget this step. And also these ratios. Clear? Good. Next, in solving the problems related to identities, we are going to use one more topic. What is that? Observe here. Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. From sin, we are going to cos. I am using these are the trigonometric identities. So here we can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. In case sometimes we can use like this also, sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Please be careful with one step. Can you see this here? This here you cannot write small a small b. No, you should not write like this. You should not write like this. This is wrong. Here you have to use capital letter. No small letters should be used. No small letters should be used. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Yes, yes.
Sure? Very good, children. See, early in the morning, you all are sitting here, awakened. Very good. At 6 a.m. Correct?
Sir.
Very good. Observe you. From sine, we are going to cos. So we can write as sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now observe here. From tan, actually we should go to cosecant, right? But we are not going to cosecant. We are not going to cosecant. We are jumping. Please observe here. We are jumping. It means tan square theta plus 1 jumping to secant. Secant square theta. So tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. Next left out is what? The left out is cot theta. Right? So cot square theta, actually below cot theta, nothing is there. Again we are jumping. We are not going to secant. We are jumping to cosecant. Jumping means 1. Cot square theta plus 1 is equals to cosecant square theta. So these are the 3 standard trigonometric identities. These are the 3 standard trigonometric identities. As we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equals to cosecant square theta. In case if you want only sine, please keep only term sine here. If you want sine square theta, what is sine square theta? Keep sine square here, cos square shift to the other side. So what it becomes? Sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. If you want cos, keep cos here itself, shift sine to the other side. Then cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. If you want tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. Plus 1 will shift to the other side. Cot square theta equals cosecant square theta minus 1. And also tan square theta minus secant square theta is equals to minus 1. How? Plus secant square theta come to the other side, minus secant square theta, plus 1 will go to the other side, it becomes minus 1. देखो बेटा, अगर से आपको लिसन ये सपोज कहां भी क्वेश्चन में anywhere if you see word sin theta then use trigonometric ratios. Anywhere in the problem, if you see a word sin square theta, then use identities. Sin theta, trigonometric ratios. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin square theta दिख गया. कान पे भी दिखेंगे sin square theta. Separately put working column right here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Use this identity. Based on this identity, apply this identity in the specific problem, then you will get the solution. Nothing else. You have to do it here. Believe me, this chapter is one of the most easiest chapter. But you should use specific logics and shortcuts. That is what we are going to learn in this session. How to apply the shortcuts and logics. Now, Before going to solve any problem, I just want to ensure one basic step. In question, yeah, sit proper, children. Very good. Yeah, even you. See, man, how you are sitting? The audience, you people, yes. Sit proper. Ah, good. Like that. Good. Observe it. Yeah. In case, in any problem, if you see a word sign, question में कांते भी sign है बेटा. Don't do anything. Keep it as it is. This is the first logic. If you see a word cos, don't do anything. Keep it as it is. If you see a word tan or any other thing, tan or cosecant, secant, cot, anything, please change these terms in terms of sine or cos. अगर से आपको साइन दिखाई दे रहा है, keep it sine only. Don't do anything. This is the logic. Cos, don't do anything. Keep it as it is. Tan, sine by cos. Cosecant, 1 by sine. Secant, 1 by cos. Cot, cos by sine. This is what you have to do. Clear? Clear? Good. Congrats. You are in the right place to achieve and get a successful result in trigonometric identities. Let's begin with the first problem. Computer ji, दिखाइए first problem. Take down. First question. First question. What is the value of what is the value of 1 by 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta? Yeah, they're asking us to find the value of this. See, children, as I said you, cot square came. Sir, our sir said sin के बाद cos आ so sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Tan से जंप कर रही कहाँ को secant को. So tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. Cot square again we are jumping. So cot square theta plus 1 is equals to cosecant square theta. So cot square theta came. Cot square theta here is there. Then apply the identity. We know that cot square theta plus 1 is equals to cosecant square theta. अब इस क्वेश्चन में आइडेंटिटी का यूज हो रहा. राइट द आइडेंटिटी. विच आइडेंटिटी यू आर गोइंग टू यूज. कॉट स्क्वायर करने का कौन से आइडेंटिटी में वो लिख डालो पहले. बिफोर सॉल्विंग एनी प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट राइट इट. सिमिलरली tan square theta. हाँ सर, our sir said tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. Your sir said right. Very good. Your sir is also on the right track. Okay. Observe here. 1 by. Now what is 1 plus cot square theta? Cot square theta plus 1 or 1 plus cot square theta, both are one and the same, nothing else. What is it? Cosecant square theta. So shall we write cosecant square theta plus 1 by, what is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. Next, what is 1 by cosecant theta? What is 1 by cosecant theta? Sin theta? 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, 1 by sin theta. Because sine and cosecant are reciprocal to each other. Correct? Sir. Remember? Remember? So 1 by cosecant theta is sin theta. Here 1 by cosecant square theta is sin square theta. Plus 1 by secant theta, cos theta. 1 by secant square theta, cos square theta. Sir, our said that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is our RHS. That's it. Now what is the value of this question? Is 1. Any doubts? We know the identity, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Is this difficult? Is this difficult? No, right? Are you sure? Good. You are in the right place. Next question. Question number 2. Make a note. If x equals a sin theta and y equals b cos theta, comma, write the value of write the value of b square x square plus a square y square. If x equals a sin theta, y equals b cos theta, now which value they are asking us to find? B square into x square plus a square into y square. Shall we write the solution? The answer is b square x square plus a square y square is equals to b square, keep it b square only. What is x? A sin theta. What is x? Then what is x square? A sin theta whole square. X means a sin theta. Substitute a square plus a square only into y square. What is y? B cos theta. Y square is b cos theta whole square. Can we write? Then is equals to b square. For a also we have square. For sin theta also we have square. So can we reduce it into its simplest form? So a square into sin theta square you should not write. Remember, always we have to write as sin square theta, not sin theta square. Power should be written on sin cos tan. Understood? Plus a square b square cos square theta. Any doubts? Now as we can see, here we have a square b square, here also we have a square b square. Both the sides we have a square b square. So we can take a square b square as common. Then what is left out? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that. Just put like this line. Just put the line. What does it mean? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So a square b square into 1 is a square b square. A square b square. This is the final answer. Now what is the value of this? A square into b square. Any doubts? Any doubts? No? Very good. Clear? Yes, you can expect this type of questions. Next question. Can you try this on the same method, on the same topic? One problem. Make a note. Find the value of x square by a square plus y square by b square if x equals a sin theta and y equals b cos theta. Can you tell me the answer for this? Same method. Check first. X square by a square plus y square by b square. What is the value of this? If x is a sin theta and y is b cos theta. Apply this first soon. Let me see who will tell the right answer. Even I am trying. Even you try. Let me see whether the answer is right or wrong. What's the answer? Clear? Sure? What's the answer? Very good. You are on the right place. Is it difficult? No. Sure. Congrats. Next question. You want the explanation for this? No, right? You understood the steps, right? Very good. Yeah. Next question. Make a note. Prove that prove that 1 plus cot square alpha by 1 plus cosecant alpha is equals to cosecant alpha. Prove that 1 plus cot square alpha by 1 plus cosecant alpha is equals to cosecant alpha. It means prove means we have to prove here LHS is equals to RHS. So first let me take LHS part. So LHS is 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosecant alpha. Now see here 1 plus I will write as it is. We saw cot square alpha. Our sir has told one identity. We know that cot square theta means here cot square alpha plus 1 is equals to jumping. What? Is equals to cosecant square alpha. Remember? Remember this identity? Sin plus cos square is 1. Tan square plus 1 is secant square. Cot square plus 1 is cosecant square. Now shall we substitute here? In place of cot square alpha, what can we write? In place of cot square alpha, what can we write? What is cot square alpha? Cot square alpha is cosecant square alpha minus 1. Because this plus 1 we have to shift to the other side. We want only cot square alpha, no? From this identity, only we want cot square alpha. So what is cot square alpha? Cosecant square alpha plus 1 go to the other side, it becomes minus 1. Divided by 1 plus cosecant alpha. 1 plus cosecant alpha. Then what we can do here now? What can we do? Think what is the next step can be done over here? Huh? See here children, very simple. 1 plus. Here we have cosecant square alpha, no? Shall we assume like this? Cosecant square alpha minus 1 can be written as 1 square. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. It's in the form of a square minus b square. What is a here? Cosecant alpha. What is b here? 1. So what is a square minus b square? A cosecant alpha a plus b is 1. A plus b into a minus b divided by 1 plus cosecant alpha. Please be careful. This is 1 is separate. Cot square alpha plus cot square alpha by 1 plus cosecant alpha is separate. Don't write whole divide. Understood? This part is separate. This part is separate. Can you see here? 1 I am keeping to the left side only. I am not writing whole divide. Whole divide and just divide. We have lots of difference between these both the sides. Both the terms. Okay. Now what we can write children? Can we reduce it to its simplest form? Yes, very good. 1 plus cosecant alpha, 1 plus cosecant alpha get cancelled. Isn't it? Then what is left out? 1 plus cosecant alpha minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So what is left out? Cosecant alpha. Now that is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, proved. Understood? Understood? Sure. Good. Next question. Question number 5. Make a note. Question number 5. Show that tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Very easy problem. See, by seeing only we can see it's so easy. Correct? By seeing only we can tell, sir, it's so very easy, sir. Correct? Isn't it? Early morning class. That happens. Good. Now what we have to show here? Show that, prove that all are same. We have to show or we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. Now come back to LHS part. What is LHS? Tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sure. Sure.
Sir.
Now here we have two cases. If you want, you can use tan. If you want, you can use secant. Both are same. You can use tan or you can use secant. See, children, still now always we use LHS, we take and we prove as RHS, no? Shall we do some twist? Because everyone will do this. We try the other method.
Yeah.
हमें अभी काम करेंगे बेटा आरएचएस को लेको एलएचएस में प्रूफ करेंगे. Now let me assume LHS as secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. I'll take now RHS I will take and now RHS I am assuming as LHS. LHS I will assume as RHS. I'll try with this. Same step, same method. You apply by using tan power 4 theta from your end. Because tan power 4 theta everyone will teach. But secant power 4 theta using very rarely they will teach. So here let me take RHS as LHS. Now, what can we do children? Yes. अब इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं बेटा? अब तक हमारे पास till now we have power 2 identity, correct? Sin square, cos square, tan square. Do we have sin power 4 theta any formula? No, we don't have. So what is the first step? We have to change power 4 as power 2. How can we change? Secant square theta whole square. Can we write? 2 2s are 4, no? It means a square whole square is what? A to the power 4. Exponents. A to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power of m into n. Yes. Can we use? Yeah. Minus secant square theta. Any doubts? Any doubts? Sure. Sure. Now what we can do? What shall we do? Sir, confusion, sir. No? Confusion, no? Yes, I can understand your problem. Because once upon a time, even I was like you. It happens. Here we do a small twist. Let me solve power 4 separate, power 2 separate. On the whole, what? We want final answer. For examiner, you should say, sir, I will do something, sir. You don't worry. But I'll give you the final answer. So what shall we do now? We do like this. Simple. Now I will assume LHS as secant power 4 theta I will write as it is. Plus tan power 4 theta I will get to the other side. I will take this as minus tan power 4 theta. I am going to take power 4 theta separate. Power 2 theta separate. Shall we separate them? Power 4 को एक जगह लेंगे, power 2 को एक जगह लेंगे. So what it becomes? Secant square theta whole square minus tan square theta whole square. Now it's in the form of a square minus b square. Sir? Yes, no, sir. Yes or no?
Sir.
It's in the form of a. What is a here? A is secant square theta. What is b? Tan square theta. What is a square minus b square? A plus b. A plus b into
A minus.
A minus B. Correct? Secant square theta plus tan square theta into secant square theta minus tan square theta. I said you, if you get secant or tan square, apply the identity. What is the standard identity? We have to write. Our sir has taught us, Shah Sir has taught us, tan square theta plus 1 means secant square theta. Correct? Now, shall we substitute anywhere? Can we use this identity somehow? Yes, we can use. How? We know that tan square theta plus secant square theta come to the other side is equals to plus 1 go to the other side. It becomes minus 1. What does it becomes? What does it becomes? Minus 1. This also we have. Anything else can we do? Is it possible anywhere we can use this? See, here we have secant square minus tan square. But there we have tan square minus secant square. What can we do? Or what shall we do? Imagine. क्या कर सकते मिठाई से? हाँ? What shall we do? Anything? Yes, observe you. We do like this. Secant square theta plus tan square theta. I'll keep it as it is because both are add plus. Plus means nothing will get removed. Minus means something we can delete. So what I'm doing, secant square theta plus tan square theta, I will keep it as it is. Here, what is secant square theta? What is secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. In place of secant square theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. Shall we substitute? Then what it becomes? Secant square theta plus tan square theta into plus tan square theta minus tan square theta get cancelled. So it's nothing but 1 plus 1. Correct? 1 plus 1, na? Plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. What is it? Is 1. 1 minus 1 is 1. Then you are telling yes? No. That is 1. That is 1 plus 0. Plus tan square theta minus tan square theta get cancelled. So it is 1. So what is left out, children? What is left out? Secant square theta plus tan square theta into 1 is secant square theta plus tan square theta. Now, please observe here. What did we took LHS? Check. We are assumed LHS as secant power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta. Now, what we got the answer here? Secant square theta plus tan square theta. Now, can we take it as RHS? Now, can we take this as RHS? What we took LHS? See here. What we took LHS? Secant power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta we took as LHS. Now, what did we get here RHS? Secant square theta plus tan square theta we got. Correct, no? Correct? Now, again interchange. Simple. Can we interchange? Can we interchange? How? How? Can we write secant power 4 theta as it is? Plus secant square theta come this side? Minus secant square theta is equals to minus tan power 4 theta go that side? Plus tan power 4 theta. Plus, sorry, minus tan square theta. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. We have to. समझ में आया बेटा? Understood? It's so easy, no? Very good. This is somewhat we have done different method. If we keep tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta and if you are waiting, never you may get the answer for that. You may get, but the steps may be more. So we have tried with this method. Whenever you get the problems like this, power 4, power 2, just interchange the values like this, you try. Clear? Clear? Good. Can we try the next problem? Good. Take down the next question. Yeah. Make a note. Simplify. Simplify, evaluate, all are same. Don't get confused. Okay. Simplify or evaluate or find the value of all are same. 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. It's so easy, man. It's like 1 mark. What's the answer? You only can tell me. What's the answer for this? What is 1 plus tan square theta? Tan square theta plus 1. Secant square theta. Correct? Now this is in the form of a plus b to a minus b. Correct? What is a plus b to a minus b? Into a plus b to a minus b. A square minus b square. Correct? Then secant square theta into 1 square minus sin square theta is cos square theta. How? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. Now what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. Secant square theta, 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta get cancelled, answers. That's it. Okay. Okay. Sure. Confident. Good. Next question. Make a note. Over. Yeah. Shall we go ahead with the next question? Yeah. Make a note. Question number 7. Prove that 1 by 1 minus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x is equals to 2 tan x into secant x. So this type of sums only are not there in our textbooks, sir. How we can ask, sir? How we can ask, sir? He will ask like that only. Solve it. Understood? Huh. Here what we have to prove? LHS equals this. Even you also can try, man. Very simple. बेटा मैं एक बात बोल को याद है साइन आया तो क्या भी नहीं करना कॉस आया क्या भी नहीं करना करेक्ट हियर वी आर साइन डू वांट टू डू एनीथिंग नो सो कैन वी टेक एलसीएम नो अदर ऑप्शन shall we take the LCM for 1 minus sin x and 1 plus sin x what's the LCM for 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x LCM is 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x only remember now this entire term multiplied by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin get cancelled. What is left out? 1 plus sin. 1 plus sin into 1 is 1 plus sin x. Understood? I'll use bracket minus 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x get cancelled. 1 minus sin x. Remember? Remember? बेटा समझ में आने स्टेप है Take LCM and simplify. Cross multiply and simplify. That's it. Now 1 plus sin x minus into plus minus 1 minus into minus plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus 1 cancel 1 sin x plus 1 sin x 2 sin x. Now again denominator is in the form of a plus b to a minus b, a plus b to a minus b, so it is a square minus b square. Done? Done? Then 2 sin x divided by 1 square is 1. What is 1 minus sin square x? Cos square x. Just now we did know. We have the identity right. Sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Now, see children, 2 sin x, numerator is sin x, denominator is cos square x, means we have 2 times of cos in denominator. So shall we split it? Shall we split it as 1 time cos x here into 1 by again one more cos x here, because sin x into 1 is sin x only. Cos x को दो जगह split करिए बेटा, because it is cos square x. Then we can write here 2 sin by cos tan x into 1 by cos secant x. That is our RHS, hence proved. That's what he asked. Prove that is equals to 2 tan x into secant x. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sure? Confident? Next question. Question number
8.
8. Make a note. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta plus theta, right? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, this is your exercise question, right?
How?
Of your chapter.
Sure.
Here also we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. Observe here. First, let me take the LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. As I said you, देखो बेटा interesting एक point है इसके अंदर. Sin, do you want to do anything?
No, sir.
Cos? No. अब RHS में क्या है बेटा? Secant and tan है. 1 by 1 plus all the men. See the word man. See the ratio man. What is the ratio? Secant and tan is there. अब हमें sin को या cos को secant या cot में चेंज करना तो क्या करना? हम ना tan आना ना secant आना, तो क्या करना? sin को या cos? We know that sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos करें tan होता नहीं क्या बेटा? No. What we have to do is dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta. मालूम है बेटा क्या से cos theta से डिवाइड कर रही? Yes or no? Because we want the answer in terms of tan and secant. So it will get. Now what is numerator? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Is it? First we divide man. Numerator divided by cos theta whole divide. You can see this? Again whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta. Please don't write like this. Use the brackets so that you will not get confused. Because the upper one is complete numerator and the below one is completely, it is a denominator. So you should know the difference between numerator and denominator. That is the reason. Clear? Clear? Now, shall we step by step shall we solve? देखो बेटा ये cos theta sin को भी डिवाइड कर रहा, means sin theta by cos theta, again cos theta by cos theta, again 1 by cos theta. ये cos theta सबके साथ डिवाइड हो रहा, whole divide means what? It divides by every term, no? समझ में आया बेटा? Whole divide means it divides by every term. So what is sin theta by cos theta? Tan theta. Minus cos theta 1 plus 1 by cos theta secant theta divided by cos theta 1 plus sin by cos tan theta minus 1 by cos secant theta. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now अब इसे रीअरेंज करेंगे बेटा. I mean trigonometric terms को एक जगह रखेंगे, constant को एक जगह. Rearranging, that's it. Shall we do like this? tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. Same numerator. This complete numerator we have written like this. That's it. Okay. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by this, let me write as it is. No worries. 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Let it be as it is. Okay. Any doubts still here? You can tell me. Any doubts? No. Very good. Observe here now. Tan theta plus secant theta minus tan theta plus secant theta minus. देखो बेटा, tan और secant में कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी है tan और secant में? We know that tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. अब हम ना खाली 1 होना. Can you see here? Just a minute, I'll show you. No, I am doing expansion only for this one. अब ये 1 की जगह में मैं क्या लिख सकती? In place of 1, what I can write? Here 1 is equals to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now in place of this one, I am writing as secant square theta minus tan square theta. Followed? Followed? How did we get? How we wrote this one as secant square minus tan square? Because we know that tan square theta plus 1 equals secant square theta. Then 1 equals secant square theta minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Any doubts still here? Tell me soon if you have any doubts. Sure? No doubts? Clear? Clear? Now observe here. Very interesting problem. Very easy, man. Like this, if you get, you're one of the luckiest student. Okay. Tan theta plus secant theta minus, keep it as it is. Here brackets are very important. Open the bracket. No, it's in the form of a square minus b square. So shall we write as a plus b inside bracket. See, this is the main bracket, this is the sub bracket. A plus b into a minus b. Close the main bracket. Can we write like this? Can we write like this? Sure. Whole divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Minus secant theta. Now shall we reduce? Shall we simplify? Yeah. The answer is very short. Easily we will get the answer now. Tan theta plus secant theta. Tan theta plus secant theta. Now what we can write? What we can write? Observe here. Here what we have to do, nothing will get cancelled because this is minus of secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. It is multiplied. These both the terms are multiplied. So we cannot apply minus here. So what we can do here, simple. See here children. अब एक काम करेंगे बेटा. ये माइनस नहीं है. ये माइनस के बाद जितना भी है, this all complete term is one term. Before minus, this all complete term is one term. Here we can see we have tan theta plus secant theta. Here also we can see, here also we have tan theta plus secant theta. So we can take tan theta plus secant theta as common factor. Can we take from both the sides tan theta plus secant theta common? If we take tan theta plus secant theta common, what happens? Here it will be 1. Tan theta plus secant theta into 1 is tan theta plus secant theta. Minus, already this came out. Then what is left out here? Secant theta minus tan theta is left out inside. Correct? ये आगा ना बेटा बाहर कॉमन फैक्टर निकाल लेनी हमें यहाँ बाहर. इसे भी निकाले बाहर, इसे भी बाहर निकाले. अब इसे बाहर निकाले तो इसकी जगह में 1 आया. अब ये इसकी जगह 1 है. 1 into secant theta minus tan theta is secant theta minus tan theta only. Now minus into plus secant theta minus secant theta. Minus into minus. Plus tan theta. Correct no? Isn't it? Minus into plus 1 is, just a minute. Yeah, we have to change something here. Can you see the step? Yeah. Suppose if you get any confusion, what you can do, better you write like this to be in safer side. See, I'm showing you to be in safer side. Let it be one more step increase. Nothing will work. Nothing is going to go wrong. So that you will not get confusion between plus and minus. So tan theta plus secant theta we took common. So in place of this we have to write 1. Here we have minus. Write minus. Open the bracket. Already secant theta plus tan theta came out. Then what is left out here? Secant theta minus tan theta is left out. Close the bracket. Then divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Now reduce it. Tan theta plus secant theta, tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus into plus minus secant theta minus into minus plus tan theta. That's what I was telling. Divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Can you see this? देखो बेटा यहाँ भी 1 है यहाँ भी 1 है. Can you see this? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. So it will get cancels. Then what is left out? Tan theta plus secant theta. But what we have to prove? What we have to prove? 1 by secant theta minus tan theta we have to prove. Am I right? So what we can do now? Observe here. Tan theta plus secant theta. Let me multiply and divide by secant theta minus tan theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Let me multiply and divide by secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta. Now what happens? Numerator tan theta plus secant theta. Understood? And here is secant theta minus tan theta. It's in the form of a plus b. What is a? Tan theta. What is b? Secant theta. Now what we can write? Huh? A plus b into huh? What should we write? Here can we do one small change? Instead of writing tan theta plus secant theta, can we write here as secant theta plus tan theta? Secant tan. It's in the form of a plus b into a minus b now. So a square minus b square divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Huh? Yeah. See here. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Correct? Is this clear? Now, secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta. What to do? What to do? We know that tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. According to this, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So this will become 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. That is our RHS. Hence proved. Yeah. How is the sum? Sir, everything is good, sir. But it is too lengthy, sir. How it's coming, going, we can't understand. Right? I'll teach you one more method. It's your wish. You can choose any of the method according to you. Okay. So let me take the LHS. Same problem I am teaching you in the other method, which is easy for you. You can follow that method. It's up to you. Now what is the LHS here? It is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So divide by cos theta. That steps you have to follow as it is. Earlier we did, right? That method. Yeah, same thing you have to follow. Will you do it? Yes or no? Very good. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, what is sin theta by cos theta? Sin whole divide you carry the same steps. The beginning what we did. Again, I'm not trying that. Right, divide both numerator by denominator. Both numerator and denominator divide by cos theta. Sin by cos, tan theta, cos by cos 1 plus 1 by cos secant theta. Correct? Divided by cos 1, sin by cos tan theta minus 1 by cos secant theta. Now, can we take trigonometric term one side? Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. See children, now one part is interesting. Now what I will do, देखो बेटा, ये tan theta plus secant theta को bracket डाल. I'm just keeping a bracket for that. अब ये minus ये 1 जो है 1 को मैं bracket डाल. Everything is same, but I'm just putting a bracket. For tan and secant, I'm taking as one term, and minus 1 I'm taking as another term. Now what I'm doing here, see here, for the same thing, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. For this one step, if you can able to remember, then your answer is very easy. If you can't remember, means it is difficult. Now itself I'm telling you. This one step you have to do. Okay. Multiply and divide by tan theta minus secant theta. Multiply and divide by tan theta minus secant theta. Now see here, interesting. देखो बेटा इधर. This tan theta minus secant theta, it's something like this. I'll show you. A minus B into C. It's like this. Okay. So what is this A minus B into C? Observe here. A means tan theta plus secant theta is A. Minus minus. B means 1, 1. C means tan theta minus secant theta. A minus B into C. If you multiply, what happens? A into C, AC, minus B into C, BC. Now can we multiply this? C with A, C with B. Shall we multiply like this? Shall we multiply? Yeah. Observe here. Tan theta plus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta. It's in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Tan theta minus secant theta into tan theta plus secant theta is tan square theta minus secant square theta. Now, again, tan theta minus secant theta into 1 is minus tan theta minus secant theta into 1 is tan theta minus secant theta. This minus after these brackets are important. These brackets are very important. Don't neglect. Okay. Is this clear? Yeah. Now what is denominator? 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta is the denominator. Sure? Clear? Clear? Yes. Now what is left out here? Tan square theta minus secant. We have an identity. We know that tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. Then what we want here? Tan square theta minus secant square theta is equals to minus 1. So here shall we put directly minus 1?
Yes, sir.
So this entire value is minus 1. Minus into plus, minus tan theta, minus into minus, plus secant theta, divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta. हाँ सी चिल्ड्रन वन थिंग इंटरेस्टिंग देखो बेटा इधर यहाँ +1 है इधर -1 है यहाँ प्लस tan थीटा है यहाँ माइनस tan थीटा है इधर माइनस secant थीटा इधर प्लस secant थीटा everything is opposite. So to interchange these things what I will do, I will take from the numerator minus common factor. What shall we take? Minus common निकालो. So minus if we take common, now here -1 will become +1. Minus tan theta will become plus tan theta. Plus secant theta will become minus secant theta. Divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta. Now 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta, 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta gets cancelled. So what is left out? Minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta. Actually what we have to prove? 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, correct? So again what we can do here, minus 1 by, again from the denominator we can take minus common. If we take minus common, plus tan theta will become minus tan theta, minus secant theta will become plus secant theta. Now this minus get cancelled. Now you can write in the standard form, that is 1 by, first you write positive plus secant theta, then you write negative, that is minus tan theta. Now this is our RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Which one is easy? The first step or the second step? Second step? First step? Go ahead with your step. Clear? Good. See, to solve one problem we have various methods, not a single method. But it depends upon your intelligence. Next question. Yeah. Next question number 9. Observe it. Take down question number 9. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay? Shall we prove?
Sir.
First take the LHS. LHS equals tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. I said you, sin or cos comes, don't do anything. If tan or any other terms comes, change in the form of sin and cos. Now what is tan theta can be written as? Sin theta by cos theta. Let me use bracket divided by 1 minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Bracket plus cot is cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus tan is sin theta by cos theta. Any doubts? Any doubts? Good. Next, sin theta by cos theta divided by, can we take the LCM here? LCM is sin theta. Sin theta into 1, sin theta minus cos theta plus here cos theta by sin theta denominator. Again, what is the LCM denominator? Cos theta into 1, cos theta minus sin theta. Over. Now, sin theta by cos theta. Shall we take whole denominator to the numerator? So it becomes into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Correct? This part is separate. Plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by because this entire term come to the numerator, cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now multiply sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now one thing, a twist here. Can you see this? Instead of taking LCM, observe here. Here is sin minus cos. Here is cos minus sin. अब ध्यान, जब sin माइनस कॉस लेने के बेटा मुझे इधर भी sin माइनस कॉस बनाना है, तो क्या करना? हाँ, दिस इज ए स्मॉल ट्विस्ट. इफ यू रिमेंबर, इजीली विल गेट थ्रू विद दिस प्रॉब्लम. नहीं बोलेगा अब इसके बाद का वो स्टेप को चेंज नहीं करे. इफ यू आर नॉट चेंजिंग दिस स्टेप, डेफिनेटली यू कैन नॉट गेट द आंसर फॉर दिस. अब इसे sin माइनस कॉस है, तो इधर sin माइनस कॉस बनाना है मेरे बिफोर टेकिंग द एलसीएम. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, आई टेल यू द स्टेप. सी हियर, जस्ट यू हैव टू डू दिस वन स्टेप. Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Instead of writing plus, write minus. Instead of writing plus, write minus. It means we are taking minus common. Then it becomes cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. That's it. समझ में बेटा? Understood? Understood or not? Yeah. See here. Again I'll repeat. To make this cos minus sin as sin minus cos, माइनस साइन को प्लस साइन बनाना, प्लस कॉस को माइनस कॉस बनाना, तो इधर प्लस की जगह इधर माइनस. In place of this plus, write minus. So what happens? Minus sign will become plus sign, plus cos will become minus cos. Any doubts? Now take the LCM. Now if we take the LCM, what is LCM? Sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Okay. Then what happens? This entire term multiplied by numerator. This entire term multiplied by numerator. Tell fast. Simplify the LCM, no? देखो बेटा, I'll show you. अभी न्यूमरेटर क्या बेटा? This complete is numerator. अभी पूरे न्यूमरेटर को ये LCM से मल्टीप्लाई. Multiply this with the LCM. So sin square theta. See here, numerator is sin square theta. Okay. Didn't understood. Till here you understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Yeah, see, I'll tell you. If it is 2 by x plus 3 by y, so what we do? We take x and y LCM. After you take x and y, what you should do? This entire term is what? 2 by x. This 2 by x you multiply with this LCM. This entire term multiply by LCM. X get cancelled. 2 into y, 2y. That's what you have to do. How? Now, shall we try here? Shall we try here? See here. Now, what is this entire term? This entire term is this only, no? Yes or no? Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This entire term multiply by LCM. Sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. I'll show you here if you want. Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. I am multiplying this with this LCM. What is this LCM? Sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. Okay. Cos theta get cancelled. Now what is left out? Sin square theta into sin theta. Sin square theta into sin theta, sin cube theta. समझे? Minus, same thing you do here. Here you will get minus cos cube theta. That's it. समझे? Understood? This entire term multiply by LCM. Separately you do it. Cancel what are the things get cancelled. Remaining you write as it is. Now, what is left out here? Numerator a cube minus b cube. What is left out? A cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? What is a cube minus b cube? Identity. Check. What is a cube minus b cube? Yeah. What is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is a minus b. If you want, I'll write it here. A cube minus b cube is, make a note, a minus b into a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus ab. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into, excuse me, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay. Shall we substitute here? A cube minus b cube as a means what? Sin theta. Excuse me. What is a? Sin theta. Minus b cos theta. A minus b into a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus a into b sin theta into cos theta. A minus b into a square plus b square. Huh? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Now divided by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. No, see children, it is multiplied, no? So sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. Yes or no? Here sin theta into cos theta also we can cancel, no?
Sir.
Then get ready for the next paper, supplementary. You can't cancel them. This, why? Because this complete term is one term. This complete term is one term. You cannot cancel individual. If it is multiplied, we can cancel. But here, it is added with the group of terms. We cannot cancel them so easily. Okay, now what is left out? But we know that one more identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. अब देखो बेटा ये can you see this sin theta into cos theta is divided by 1 also. I mean 1 divided by sin theta cos theta plus again this sin theta cos theta also will divide sin theta cos theta. Can we split both the sides? Once if we are going to split this both the sides, what do we get the answer? That is 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. I am splitting on both the sides. 1 by sin cosecant theta into 1 by cos secant theta plus sin theta cos theta cos theta get cancelled. Answer is 1. Actually, we are supposed to prove 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Over? Good. Next question. Excuse me. Next question number 10. Yeah. Make a note. Prove that cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1 is equals to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. You can try now. Now we have done the sum now. Same steps here also you should do. Here cot theta plus cosecant theta is there no? Can you see this step? Here what we did? For tan theta we wrote as sin by cos. Again cot we wrote as cos by sin. We took the LCM simplification. Same steps you have to do. Only the values are changed. Only these values are changed. Will you try? Cot means cos by sin plus cosecant means 1 by sin minus 1. Understood? Take LCM, same simplification like how we did in the previous case. Same steps we have to do for this. Nothing else. You try. If you are not getting the answer, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll get you the answer for that. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Make a note. Prove that 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1 is equals to 0. Yeah. See children, actually we don't have the answer for power 6. So, we do the problem like this. Make a note. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. First you write the step like this. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Done? Can we do squaring on both the sides? SBS. Squaring on both the sides. Then it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square is equals to 1 whole square. Because we are doing squaring on both the sides. Now it's in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta. So what is a square plus b square? Sorry, a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equals to 1 square is 1. So this can be written as sin square whole square is sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta is equals to 1. अब हमने क्वेश्चन में क्या होना बेटा? In question what is required? We want only sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta, right? In the question we have given. So what I will do, I'll keep this as it is. I'm going to keep now this sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta as it is equals to rest of the terms I'll shift to the other side. It becomes 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Let me write this as equation 1. तो हम ना sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta की वैल्यू मिल गई. खाली इसमें हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. जिधर क्वेश्चन में sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta है नहीं बेटा, उधर ये वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. अब पावर 4 मिल गया. अब हमने क्या होना बेटा? What we want? Power 6. We want now power 6. To get power 6, what we should do? Also, the answer what we got, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Again for the same identity, I will do whole cube. What shall we do? Whole cube. So if we are going to do whole cube, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube is equals to 1 whole cube. Now it's in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. Now what is a plus b whole cube? A cube. A means sin square theta. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3 into A into B into A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A square B. A square, just a minute. Let me to write here. A cube plus B cube can be written as A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Now this shall we substitute like this, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A, 3A square B plus 3AB into B, 3AB square, 3AB square. So A cube we done plus B cube we done plus 3A square B. Shall we write here only directly? 3 into A का तो sin square theta. A square B means cos square theta. A square B plus 3 into A B square. A का मतलब sin square theta बेटा. See here. Here we have this A means sin square theta plus B means cos square theta. Okay. अब यहाँ A क्यूब है. A का मतलब क्या sin square theta? A is sin square theta. So A cube sin square theta whole cube. A cube plus B is cos square theta. B cube plus 3 into A sin square theta. A square into B plus 3 into A B square. Subject? Understood? Yeah. Now sin 2 into 3 6 sin power 6 theta plus cos 2 into 3 cos power 6 theta plus 3 into sin power 4 theta into cos square theta plus 3 into sin square theta into cos power 4 theta. Okay?
Sir.
Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Children, one more thing. I think again we have to take the common factor here. So instead of that, what we can do, yeah, see here, again here and here we have to take common, no? So what we do here only we do this step. See here, we don't multiply this, let me keep this as it is. Okay. We do like this better because again we have to take common, that's the reason. A cube sin square theta whole cube plus B cube cos square theta whole cube plus 3AB. 3 into A means sin square theta, B means cos square theta. 3AB into A plus B. Here only we do A sin square theta. A, just a minute. 3A into B into A plus B. A plus B. Shall we do like this? Now simplification. Sin 2 into 3, 6 theta. Cos 2 into 3 plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now let me keep this sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta as it is. Okay. Here is equals to is also there, no? Is equals to 1 cube is 1. Is equals to 1 cube is 1. Is equals to 1 cube is 1. Correct, no? Yes or no? Now sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equals to 1. Plus come this side. It becomes 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Let me say this is equation 2. So we got the value of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta also. Now in the LHS, can we substitute this value?
How?
In the LHS, can we substitute these values? Yes or no? Now come back to the LHS. Now LHS is equals to, देखो बेटा 2 की जगह 2 लिखो. Now what is sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta value? 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta minus 3 into what is sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta? 1 minus 2. What we got? See equation 1. Sin square theta into cos square theta. Done. 2 into sin power 6 plus cos power 6 is this, minus 3 into this plus 1. Now multiply. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 threes are 6 sin square theta cos square theta minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3 minus into minus plus 3 twos are 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. Now as you can see, plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta get cancelled. Correct? I am right? Now can you see this? 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 0. 3 minus 3 this this answer is 0. That is equals to RHS. Hence proved. We have proved that LHS is equals to RHS. Isn't it?
Yes.
Very good. Next problem. Yeah. Next question number 12. Make a note. Prove that sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta plus 1 into cosecant square theta is equals to 2. Into cosecant square theta is equals to 2. Very simple. First LHS. LHS is sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta plus 1. We do one thing, children. Observe here. Now sin square theta, sin power 4 theta, just now we did, right? Expansion can be written as sin square theta whole square minus cos power 4 theta cos square theta whole square plus 1. Can we write?
Sir.
Now, can we use this identity for this both? Only for this much? What identity can we use? A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B plus 1. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1. Correct? Into what is left out? Sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 is left out. Now if you multiply 1 with everything, it remains same, no? Here I do one small change. You know what is that change? I'll write this as sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1. I will try to write that as, one more thing is missing here. Into cosecant square theta. Everywhere, right? This complete into cosecant square theta. Again this complete into cosecant square theta. Again here also into cosecant square theta. Okay. Now sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 I will write as plus 1 minus cos square theta. Both are same, no? Either you write minus cosecant plus 1 or you write 1 minus cosecant. Both are same. Correct, no? Into cosecant square theta. Now see children, sin square theta as it is. Now what I will do, for this 1 minus cos square theta I will put bracket. We know that what is 1 minus cos square theta? Plus sin square theta. Can we write? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. Into cosecant square theta. I hope you all are copying. Very good. Is equals to 1 square theta plus 1 square theta 2 sine square theta into cosecant square theta. That is 2 sine square theta into cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Sin square get cancelled. Answer is 2. That is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Okay? Yeah. Next, take down. Question number 13. Make a note. It's important question. Question number 13. Prove that tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta is equals to secant theta into cosecant theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. We have to prove this. Very simple. Very easy, children. Seriously. Observe here. First, let me take the LHS. See here. What is LHS? Tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta. Any doubts? No. I told you no. Sin cos comes. Don't do anything. Other rest of the terms we have to change in the form of sin and cos. Now tan cube theta can be written as sin cube theta by cos cube theta. Whenever you get fraction, use brackets. 1 plus tan square theta sin square theta by cos square theta plus cot cube theta cos cube theta by sin cube theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is cos square theta by sin square theta. Correct no? Till here did you understood? Sure? Now next step. Sin cube theta by cos cube theta as it is. Now divided by, can we take the LCM for this? Can we take the LCM for this step? Yeah, what is the LCM? Cos square theta. Correct now? Denominator nothing is there means 1 now. 1 and cos square theta is cos square theta. Then here is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Correct? Plus numerator as it is cos cube theta by sin cube theta, numerator as it is whole divided by, again what is the denominator LCM? Sin square theta. Then sin square theta into 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Any doubts? Any doubts still here? Difficult? Then what is numerator? Sin cube theta by cos cube theta. Denominator, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by cos square theta plus cos cube theta by sin cube theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Any doubts? बेटा समझ में आनी? Sure? Next, can we take this complete terms to the numerator? Then what it becomes? Sin cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 by cos square theta goes up, it becomes cos square theta by 1. Correct? It becomes cos square theta by 1. Complete term. Again here, cos cube theta by sin cube theta into 1 by sin square theta by 1 will become sin square theta by 1. Okay. Then what happens? Cos square theta, and from cos cube theta, 2 times cos theta get cancelled. What is left out? Sin cube theta by cos theta. plus sine square, and here 2 times get cancelled. What is left out? Cos cube theta by sin theta. Cos cube theta by sin theta. Any doubts? Clear? Clear? Can we take the LCM now? What is the LCM for cos theta and sin theta? Sin theta into cos theta. This entire term multiplied by sin by cos, remember? This entire term multiplied by sin by cos get cancelled. Sin cube theta into sin theta, sin power 4 theta. Cos cube theta into cos theta, cos power 4 theta. Any doubts? अब देखो बेटा, sin power 4 हमारा पुराना मेथड. Sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square divided by sin theta into cos theta. बेटा अब ये कौन से फॉर्म में है ये? It's in the form of a square plus b square. Remember the identity a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Remember or not? Tell me fast. You remember this or not?
Sir.
No.
No.
See here. We know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. अब इसमें a square plus b square को हैंड्स रखो. Then what happens? A plus b whole square plus 2ab come to the other side minus 2ab. From here. We have done in the previous class this step. A square plus b square. Remember in polynomials? Now a का मतलब sin square theta. Correct?
Sir.
Okay. Now it's in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2 into a into b. Correct? A plus b whole square minus 2ab divided by sin theta into cos theta. Identity. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 square as it is. Minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now what is 1 square? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now this sin theta into cos theta divides with both the sides. Can we split this? Can we split this? 1 by sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. It is whole divide. Whole divide means it divides both the sides. Both the terms. Right? Now tell me, what is 1 by sin theta? Quick. Cosecant theta into 1 by cos secant theta minus 1 time sin get cancelled, 1 time cos get cancelled. So left out is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Correct? Hence, this is our RHS. You can check. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. Secant theta into cosecant theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Clear? Understood? Good. Yeah. We'll go with the next question. Make a note. Question number 14. Please make a note. Question number 14. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus tan theta minus cot theta by 1 minus cot theta is equals to cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now here, what is LHS? Here LHS is tan theta by 1 minus tan theta minus cot theta by 1 minus cot theta. Apply our basic logic. Quick. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. So what we should do? Bracket. By 1 minus tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Bracket. Correct? Minus cot theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Am I right?
How, sir?
Yeah. Huh. Okay. Simplify. Sin by cos. Denominator we should take LCM, no? For denominator we need to take LCM, right? Cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Minus cos theta by sin theta. LCM. Sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Now what we should do? We should take to the numerator. Correct? Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Something we have done previously. Remember? Remember the step? We did one problem just now. Minus cos theta by sin theta into, it goes up, it becomes sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Understanding some hint? I told you to change. Cos theta get cancelled. Left out is sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta minus sin get cancelled. Cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Did you understood? What is denominator? Cos minus sin. Hey. See man, here is plus cos minus sin. Here plus sin minus cos. Opposite. So what we should do? To make it same. Sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta by plus cos theta minus sin theta. Remember? Now we can take LCM. Cos theta minus sin theta. If denominators are same, we can add the numerators. That is sin theta plus cos theta. Correct? Correct? Sin theta plus cos theta. Why cos theta minus sin theta? We got the answer. That is our RHS. Can you see? So instead of sin and cos, you can write first cos plus sin. Both are same only, no? Cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Any doubt? Yeah, good. Next, excuse me. Next, question number 15. Make a note. Prove that root of secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1 plus root of secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1 is equals to 2 cosecant theta. Prove that root of secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1 plus root of secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cosecant theta. Okay. What is the LHS? Root secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1 plus root secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1. Okay. Both the sides we have root, no? Both the sides we have root. Root is there for numerator. Root is there for denominator. Yes or no? Sir. Root is there for everything, no? Yeah, okay. Now can we take the LCM? What is the LCM? Forget about root. रूट को छोड़ो बेटा, रूट को छोड़े तो अब क्या एलसीएम बचा? सेकेंड थीटा प्लस 1 इंटू सेकेंड थीटा minus 1. Correct, no? Just put root because root is common for both the sides. Correct? Yes or no? Now this entire term multiplied by secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1. So what is left out in the numerator? देखो बेटा, अब ये पूरे टर्म को एलसीएम से मल्टीप्लाई करो. What is पूरा टर्म? Secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1 into what is LCM? Secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1. Plus 1 get cancelled. Secant theta minus 1 into secant theta minus 1. Secant theta minus 1 whole square. Whole square means root whole square. समझ में आया बेटा? Correct, no? Secant theta minus 1 into secant theta minus 1 is secant theta minus 1 whole square. Actually this is under root, so we are putting root. Plus again here this entire term multiply this, it becomes root secant theta plus 1 whole square. नहीं क्या बेटा? यहाँ माइनस आया तो इधर प्लस आता. Is this clear? हाँ. Now square root get cancel. Left out is secant theta minus 1 plus square root get cancel. Left out is secant theta plus 1 divided by under root a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Now numerator, can we add? 1 secant theta plus 1 secant theta, 2 secant theta plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Divided by root of secant square theta minus 1. Identity of secant is what? Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. Now secant square theta as it is, plus 1 इधर आया तो minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Now secant square theta minus 1 can be written as tan square theta. Square and square root get cancelled. So left out is 2 secant theta divided by tan theta. Correct? How? 2 secant theta divided by tan theta. Now can we write like this for this? Observe here. 2 into secant theta into 1 by tan theta. Can we write like this? Yes. Now 2. What is secant? 1 by cos. Correct? Into what is tan? What is tan? Sin theta by cos theta. Secant is 1 by cos. Tan is 1 by sin by cos. Then 2 into 1 by cos theta into 1 as it is. This comes to the numerator. It becomes into cos theta by sin theta. Now this cos theta get cancelled. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. So 2 cosecant theta, that is our RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Here. Next. Question number 16. Make a note. Question number 16. Prove that it's very important. Please put a star mark for this. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equals to 2 secant A. We can do it now? Sure? Yeah. What is LHS? Tell me first. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. LCM 1 plus sin A into cos A. Then 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Here 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A into cos A, cos A get cancelled. 1 plus sin A whole square. Correct? Cos square A plus. It's in the form of A plus B whole square. 1 plus sin A, 1 is A, sin A is B. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. We have the identity. Direction we do. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1 plus this 1 square, this 1. Correct? Plus 2 into 1, 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Wait for the next exam. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. As we can see, here also we have to, here also we have to. 2 is common. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into sin A, 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. 2 into 1 by cos secant A. This is our answer. Therefore, LHS equals RHS, hence proved. Next, take down the next question. Number 17. Yeah. Question number 17. If, make a note please. If sin theta plus cos theta is equals to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equals to Q. Excuse me. Is equals to Q. Comma. Show that Q into P square minus 1 is equals to 2P. It's very easy. Just we have to substitute. We did know one sum in the first step, x and y. Remember? Yes. Yeah, same thing. So can we take the LHS? Q into P square minus 1. What is Q? Quick. Secant theta plus cosecant theta. This is P. Sorry, Q into P square. P, first write P. Sin theta plus cos theta. P square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. P means you should write entire P then whole square. P square minus 1. Done? Done? Yeah. Now let me simplify. Before simplification, फर्स्ट लेट वी एक्सट्रैक्ट एवरीथिंग, पूरे को एक बार एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे बेटा, बाद में डायरेक्ट सबको कन्वर्ट करेंगे, पूरे को पहले स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ले करेंगे. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू secant theta plus cosecant theta, open the bracket, it's in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b minus 1. Done. Now secant theta plus cosecant theta, open the bracket, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1. Done. Now again secant theta plus cosecant theta. Okay. Now as you can see here, this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Correct? Into 2 sin theta into cos theta. देखो बेटा, अब एक रिड्यूस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म तक ले लेते हैं. अब कन्वर्शन करना, मीन साइन कॉस रहा तो क्या भी नहीं करना, दूसरे रहे तो इंटरचेंज करना. रिमेंबर द स्टेप. या नो, secant is 1 by cos theta plus cosecant is 1 by sin theta. Let me use bracket for this. This 2 sin theta cos theta is separate term. Let me use bracket for this. Now what is the LCM? Sin theta into cos theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta. Done. Into 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now can you see this? This sin theta cos theta, this sin theta cos theta get cancel because it is multiplication. ये दो भी मल्टीप्लाई हो कोई मिटा, इसके लिए दोनों को हमें कैंसल कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट. Now what is left out? 2 into sin theta plus cos theta is left out. Answer. Correct. That's nothing but 2. Already in P, can you see this? What they have written P? P sin theta plus cos theta. So in place of sin theta plus cos theta, we can write P. So this is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Yeah. Take down the next question. Question number 18. Make a note. Question number 18. Prove that. Please make a note first. Prove that 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta into sin theta minus cos theta divided by secant cube theta minus cosecant cube theta is equals to sin square theta into cos square theta. सी चिल्ड्रन, ये तो ऑलरेडी स्प्लिट हो कोई नहीं के बेटा, पूरे फ्रैक्शन में है, सेपरेट 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 है. कैन सी द एलएचएस 1 प्लस cot थीटा प्लस tan थीटा पूरा सेपरेट सेपरेट ही है ना. ठीक है बेटा, ऑलरेडी द गिवन वैल्यूज आर इन सेपरेट सेपरेट फॉर्म. नो, सो कैन वी चेंज नाउ डायरेक्टली? समझ में आएगा नहीं? हाँ. नो व्हाट इज एलएचएस? 1 प्लस cot theta plus tan theta into sin theta minus cos theta divided by secant cube theta minus cosecant cube theta. Now 1 plus cot, cos by sin, tan, sin by cos into sin theta minus cos theta divided by, now secant cube theta. What is secant? 1 by cos cube theta minus cosecant 1 by sin cube theta. Can we write? Can we write? Tell me children fast. Yeah. Now can we take the LCM for this? Sin theta cos theta. Now here entire term multiply by sin theta cos theta. 1 into sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. plus sin theta get cancel, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus huh? No man, wait. Cos by sin into sin cos. Sin get cancel, cos into cos, cos square. Again here sin by cos into sin cos. Cos get cancel, sin square theta. Okay, is this clear? Into sin theta minus cos theta. Whole divided by sin cube theta, cos cube theta. Here is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. You should take the LCM for the denominator and simplify. Now what is left out? Yeah, we know that. See here. Sin theta cos theta as it is. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Done. Divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now can we bring this entire term to the numerator? So what it becomes? Into sin cube theta cos cube theta divided by sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Done? Done? Clear? Now what we can do? Yes? What can be done? Yeah. Clear? Now as you can see here, observe here, sin cube theta into cos cube theta, because this is multiplication, no? In this both the sides it is multiplication, so we can cancel them. So beta, one time sin theta, one time sin theta, one time cos theta, one time cos theta we can cancel. So what is left out now? Sin theta cos theta plus 1 into sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta into cos square theta, right? Because one time sin got cancelled. Now what is left out in denominator? Whole divided by sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Correct? Is this clear? Is this clear? Now sin theta cos theta ठीक है. Okay. Okay. No, denominator it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Can we simplify them? A cube minus b cube. Yeah. I'll write the identity here. We know that a cube minus b cube. Just now we have done, right? A cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Can we apply this identity here? Please make it fast. A minus b. Numerator as it is. Sin theta into cos theta plus 1 into sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta into cos square theta divided by sin cube theta. A cube minus b cube. A sin theta minus b cos theta. A minus b to a square sin square theta. A square plus b square cos square theta plus ab sin theta into cos theta. And now check, anything get cancelled? Yes. Anything get cancelled? Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Correct? Let me do one thing. If not, you'll get confused. Step by step we'll do it. Okay, because many cancellations are here. That's the reason. Now first and foremost, first we write sin theta into cos theta plus 1 as it is. Okay, we write this as it is. Now step 1. This sin theta minus cos theta, this sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. होगा. उसके बाद next sin 1 time sin theta 1 time sin theta get cancelled. Can we cancel them? No, we cannot cancel because this entire term is one term. Correct? No? In the bracket, this entire term is one term. We cannot cancel them. So what we should do? Let me keep this as it is as of now. Sin square theta into cos square theta as it is divided by, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Now we can see here 1 plus sin theta cos theta, 1 plus sin theta cos theta get cancelled. Now left out is sin square theta into cos square theta. That is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Done? Yeah. Let me try the next question. Question number 19. Question number 19. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it. And after watching this complete video, do not forget to share with your near and dear ones. Okay? Let's continue. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. You can try this. Have you done this? Sure. Question number 9. Check question number 9. We have done this.
Sir.
Is it same values?
Sir.
Is this same LHS and RHS?
Sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we do one thing. We take question number 19. Please let me know in case if any questions repeat. Okay. Next question. Make a note. Prove that sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos square A minus cos A is equals to tan A. LHS is very easy. Correct? No? Sin A minus 2 sin cube A, 2 cos square A minus cos A. As we can see, both the sides we have sin. So sin A common. If sin A common, sin A into 1 is sin A minus 2 sin square A. Because one time of sin is out. In sin cube A, one time sin is out, so sin square A is left out. Divided by again here, cos A common, 2 cos A, okay, minus cos A is out, so 1. Because cos A into 1 is cos A. Okay. What is sin A by cos A? Tan A. Okay. 1 minus 2. Sin square A. What is sin square A can be written as? 1 minus cos square A. Close the bracket. Remember, we know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So in place of sin square A, we can write 1 minus cos square A divided by 2 cos A minus 1. Then tan A Last step. Tan A into 1 minus 2 ones are 2 minus 2 into cos square A, 2 cos square A divided by 2 cos A minus 1. Done? Then tan A into, what is 1 minus 2? Minus 1. Minus 2 cos square A divided by 2 cos A minus 1. Done? Then tan A, oh shit. Minus into plus, minus 2. Minus into minus, plus 2 cos square A. Correct? 1 minus 2, minus 1. And this is plus 2 cos square A. So tan A into 2 cos square A minus 1, because I am writing first positive then negative. Okay? 2 cos square A minus 1 divided by 2 cos A minus 1. Then tan A into 2 cos square A, keep it as it is. 2 cos square A. Denominator is cos A or cos square A? Check the denominator part anywhere. Cos A only, no? I got shit. Actually, it should be just a small mistake. It should be cos cube A. No, it is 2 cos cube A, because cube. 2 cos cube A this one. Then it will become 2 cos cube A. And this will be cos square. Correct? Cos square. And then here also cos square. Here also cos square. Then even here also we get cos square A minus 1. Done. Then directly we can say that 2 cos square A minus 1, 2 cos square A minus 1 get cancelled. So left out the answer is tan A. That is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Any doubts? Yeah, make a note. Question number 20. Let me try it fast. Yeah. Prove that. Very important. Put a star mark. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equals 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. I think you know the answer for this, no? Yeah, can you tell me fast? What is LHS? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square, cos A plus secant A whole square. Sin A anything? Sin A? No. Plus cosecant A? 1 by sin A whole square. Cos A? No. Secant A? 1 by cos A whole square. LCM sin A. This is sin square A plus 1 whole square. LCM, yes girls. Cos A, very good. You got the answer? Good. Cos A into cos A, cos square A plus 1. Any doubts? Is this clear? Cos square A plus 1. Now, this whole square is there for numerator as well as denominator. Right? ठीक है. Let me see. Sin square A plus 1 whole square divided by sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 whole square divided by cos square A. Actually, what do we need the RHS? 7 plus tan square A, no? Hmm. Now, numerator, it is in the form of A plus B whole square.
Sir.
Numerator, it is in the form of A plus B whole square.
Sir.
Uh, shall we do like this or shall we take LCM?
LCM. LCM. LCM.
Both we can do. Which you want?
LCM. LCM. LCM.
LCM? Okay. What is LCM? Sin square A into cos square A is the LCM. Entire term. So sin square A get cancelled. So left out is cos square A into sin square A plus 1 whole square plus cos square get cancelled. Sin square A into cos square A plus 1 whole square. Now, what to do? Just a minute. We can do it. Again, A plus B whole square, it expands a lot. It's better. In the beginning only, can we apply A plus B whole square? In the beginning only, shall we apply A plus B whole square? There only we reduce to its simplest form and then we directly convert. Shall we do it?
Sir.
Isn't it? Because actually like this also we can try. It's not wrong. But let me go direct method only. I was trying that we may get this because that method is still more better easy. See, whenever you get the sum directly, don't convert. If it is A plus B whole square something, first you reduce to its simplest form and you can try. Such as A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Because in one step only we get the answer for this. Plus A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Now direct cancellation. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1 plus cosecant square A is 1 by sin square A plus 2 sin A into cosecant A is 1 by sin A plus secant square A 1 by cos square A plus 2 cos A into 1 by secant A is 1 by cos A. Correct? Then 1 plus 1 by sin square A plus sin A get cancelled. Cosecant square A. Okay, we try that also. We're here only, no? In this step. Because we want the answer in terms of tan and cot, right? We want the answer in terms of, see here, the RHS part. We want the answer in terms of tan and cot. So, sin square A plus cos square is 1 plus cosecant. We know that cot square A plus 1 equals cosecant square A. So, shall we apply this identity here? Cosecant square A can be written as cot square A plus 1 plus this 2 sin A into 1 by sin A plus secant square A 1 plus tan square A, tan square A plus 1 plus 2 cos A secant A is 1 by cos A. Now, see here 1 plus 1 2 sin A cancel cos A cancel. Now see the terms 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 2 7 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Yeah. Take down the next question, number 21. Make a note fast. Excuse me. Prove that we have done this type of sum right now. Let me see who will do this. Prove that root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equals to 2 cosecant A. There we tried for secant, I think, no? One problem right now we have tried, no? Earlier. Secant. You tell me the answer, let's see. LHS 1 minus cos A by root 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. We should take LCM now. Just now I said you root is common for both the sides. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Numerator. What happens? 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A get cancelled. So left out is root of 1 minus cos A whole square plus root of 1 plus cos A whole square. Square root get cancelled. Left out is 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by root of A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Remember? Now, plus cos A minus cos A gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by root of 1 square is 1. 1 minus cos square A sin square A. Identity sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Then is equals to 2 by square and square root get cancelled. 2 by sin A. That can be written as 2 into 1 by sin A is cosecant A. That is RHS. Because sin A is in denominator. So 1 by sin A is cosecant. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Very good. Next question number 22. Prove that 1 by secant A minus 1 plus 1 by secant A plus 1 is equals to 2 cosecant A into cot A. Can we try? LHS equals 1 by secant A minus 1 plus 1 by secant A plus 1. Shall we take LCM or shall we reduce into it? Shall we reduce? नहीं बेटा एलसीएम लेको करे तो जरा कॉम्प्लिकेशन होगा कहीं तो न्यूमरेटर में भी आता फिर न्यूमरेटर में भी तुम्हें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना डिनोमिनेटर में भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ता करेक्ट so directly we'll substitute here only we'll reduce 1 by secant A is 1 by cos A minus 1 bracket plus 1 by secant A 1 by cos A plus 1 1 by LCM cos A. So 1 minus cos A plus 1 by LCM cos A. 1 plus cos A. Correct? Remember? Now can we bring this to the numerator? 1 into cos A by 1 minus cos A. Right? We are bringing this to the numerator. Then plus 1 into cos A by 1 plus cos A. Now multiply cos A into 1. Cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. 1 into cos A is cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Now can we take LCM? What is the LCM for 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A? A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Now cos A into 1 plus cos A plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now both the sides we have cos A. Both the sides we have cos A. We can take cos A common factor. Both the sides we have, man. Right? If cos A came out, what is left out here? 1 plus cos A. Plus cos A came out, what is left out here? 1 minus cos A. Divided by 1 square is 1. 1 minus cos square A. Quick. Sin square A. Till now we did that number of sums, right? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Now you can see here plus cos A minus cos A get cancelled. Isn't it? Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into cos A, 2 cos A divided by sin square A. Correct? Now what actually we need the RHS? Tell me. 2 cosecant into cot A. 2 as it is into cos A into 1 by sin square A. Correct? Cot A will come. Actually, we are getting here cos A, no? 2 into cos A into 1 by sin square A is cosecant square A. Correct, no? Where? Outside, no child. This is cos A, we have taken common. Plus cos A minus cos A get cancelled. Understood? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into cos A, 2 cos A divided by sin square A. 2 cos A divided by sin square A. No, 2 cos A I have taken. This sin square A I have split it to the other part into 1 by sin square A करको. 2 की जगह 2 है, cos A की जगह cos A है. 1 by sin is cosecant. 1 by sin square is cosecant square A. So it should be 2 cos A into cosecant square A. Correct? But why he has given cot A? Check whether cot A will come. Look at to the steps. First, 1 by secant A minus 1 plus 1 by secant A plus 1. Right? Secant A is 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A. Correct. LCM 1 minus cos A by cos A. 1 plus cos A by cos A. Cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 into cos A by 1 plus cos A. Cos A into 1 cos A by 1 minus cos A plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Correct. So LCM A plus B to A minus B, A square minus B square. Right? Huh? Correct, no? Cos A into 1 minus cos A. Look at to this step. Hmm? See, look at here this step. From here, what is the LCM? 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. A plus B into A minus B. A square, that is 1 minus cos square A is the LCM. Correct? 1 minus cos square A is the LCM. Correct me, Kevita. See this step. 1 minute. Wait. Look at here this step. Can you see? Let me to first simplify this step. Huh? A plus B into A minus. This is A plus B. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is 1 minus cos square A. Kevita. Now this entire term we have to multiply by LCM. What is entire term? Cos A by 1 minus cos A. We have to multiply by 1 minus cos square A. If not, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A से multiply करना. So 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A get cancelled. So 1 plus cos A into cos A. Yeah, it's right only. Yeah, it's correct. Okay. So this step is right. Cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 square is 1 minus cos square A. Cos A common. 1 plus cos A plus 1 minus cos A. Sin square A. 2 cos A. Why sin square A? No change. Calm it down. You're telling this step, right? हाँ क्या क्या cos by sin? See, in that scenario, 2 into cos by sin square A has. It is not square, no? We have to prove. You should tell no, man. I have actually kept the answer in square here. Huh. So much time we have wasted, man. Shit. See here. So the final conclusion is 2 into cos A by sin A one time into 1 by sin A. I've kept the answer in cos square. Actually, I thought 2 cosecant square A. It's not 2 cosecant square A we have to. Cos by sin? Cot A. 1 by sin? Cosecant A. This is our RHS. Upper I have written cosecant square A or cosecant A to prove. Sure? I thought it is cosecant square A. That's the reason. No, I thought we have to prove cosecant square A. No, cosecant A only. It's correct. Yeah. Next, take down question number 23. Question number 23. Prove that 1 plus secant A by secant A is equals to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. Yeah. Take LHS. 1 plus secant A. 1 by cos A. Secant A. 1 by cos A. Make it better. Is equals to LCM. Numerator cos A. Cos A plus 1. Correct. Now into, can we bring to top? 1 by cos A will become cos A by 1. Cos A get cancelled. Left out is cos A plus 1. Further, can we do anything for this cos A plus 1? We can't do anything. So let me keep this as equation 1. Yes, boys, you are done. Last bench. Very good. Congrats. Wait, man, let me do solve. It's also early. How, Ryan? Yeah. Now come back to RHS. See, sometimes we may not get the final answer. So what we should do? We have to try with RHS. At least we have to show both the sides are same answers. Okay. Then here sin square A by 1 minus cos A. What is sin square A? 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. 1 can be written as 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So it becomes A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B divided by 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A get cancelled. Answer is 1 plus cos A. Here also cos A plus 1 is 1 plus cos A only. This is equation 2. Correct? This is equation 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. Next question number 24. Children, your favorite question is coming. Guess what could be your favorite question? See, now you all will become happy. Question number 24, no? See here. Prove that. Make a note. Root 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus root 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equals to 2 secant theta. Sin only we did or cos? First we did secant. Check. First we did with secant and then we have done with cos, I think. First is secant shade. Now recently we did one more root. That is cos. Correct? Now this is sine. You know the answer? What is LHS? Root of 1 plus sin theta by plus root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Correct? LCM root of 1 minus sin theta into here root of whole square plus root of 1 minus sin theta square square root 1 plus square square root 1 minus divided by root of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square plus sin theta minus sin theta cancels. 1 plus 1 2 divided by root of 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, isn't it? Yeah, square square root cancel 2 into 1 by cos secant theta. So this is our, therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Any doubts? Yeah. So I hope you all have enjoyed a lot with trigonometric identities, many things. Today you have got an opportunity to learn. The same thing you need to practice, and we come back with part 2 of the same identities, where we will be solving still more number of questions related to this topic. So ever, never this chapter will become difficult for you all in your future. Take care. All the best. We'll meet soon. And my dear students, the admissions are opened in our coaching center, Evershine Coaching Center. It's in Tannery Road near Muslim Colony bus stop. Okay, in the if you need the details of our institute, please go to the description. You can find the location and the address and also the contact details. You can get admitted as soon as possible, as seats are limited. All the best. Keep watching to our YouTube channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.